In this video, let me show you the way that you can use ChatGPT offline. So in order for you to use ChatGPT online, you need to first of all download this application, which is LM Studio. So make sure you open up a web browser, search for lmstudio.ai, and make sure you click on the download option. Once this application has been downloaded, make sure you install it. And once you install it, you'll be taken to this interface. Now, in order to download different models, what you simply need to do is head over to this icon on the left hand side. Once you're here, you just need to search for Llama 3.2 3B. This is going to be a good model with not a lot of size, because often once you look, there are going to be models that are going to be very large in size, but this one is perfect if you want to use ChatGPT offline. So make sure you just download this application, and once you download, you'll be able to use ChatGPT offline, ask in any questions, and add in any prompts like you do in ChatGPT. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.